be, and today I wanted to show you guys quickly how I am going to put together this 4Moms Rockaroo. It's basically a baby rocker. So this was gifted to me as a baby shower gift, or gifted for a baby girl as a baby shower gift, and I wanted to put it together on camera. So let's get started. I know I look a little different today because your girl is getting ready to go to brunch, so I figured I'll film this video before I head out, just in case I'm a little tired to do it when I get back. So let's get started. What it looks like, put up, assembled together. I have it plugged in, and okay, this look a little fast. Sheesh, that's just me turning it on. I guess it's on the 3rd setting. Let's see. Okay, setting 2. This look a little fast. I don't know, setting 1 and setting 2 kind of look the same to me. This is setting 4. Man, this thing can really rock. This thing goes pretty fast. Okay. And then this little portal right here is where you can plug in your cell phone. And that's it. I'm gonna figure out how. I'm not sure if this is supposed to spin or not, but I'll figure it out. But for now, it's assembled, and I feel like it's gonna really come in handy when baby girl is here. So baby girl is ready.